Just like the basic shapes activity, we are going to do pairing of primary colors. Choose a color, let the child look at that color for a while and then keep it aside. Then choose any other color. I've just chosen red and then yellow. You can choose it in any order. There's no particular order for this. So first you choose one color, then you go for another color. The third card, pick the same card as the second card. Okay? And the fourth card, choose the third color. Let the child have enough time looking at the color. Again, do not use the names of the colors at this stage. Then fifth and sixth cards, the rest two cards you can give it in any order. Let the child observe the colors and look at the cards first. After that, you have to mix it up. This is the same as the basic shapes activity. So just mix them up, and then after that you have to um, pick any color and isolate it, meaning keep it away from the group, and then you have to search for its pair. So you can ask the child, is this the same as that? No. Okay. So this looks like the pair, right? So let's take it and keep it next to it. Yeah, they both are the same. Now pick another color and place it below that. Again, do a little bit of acting, like you're searching. Oh, iduva. Is this the one? No, no. Do all that just to make it interesting. And once you find it, place it next to it. And then go ahead with the third pair. And finally, you tell the child, this is how we do the activity. So if you would like to work with it, what you have to do is you have to keep the mixed up first and then find the pair.